Double-digit decline, double-digit decline, double-digit decline. Thank you. We are double-digit decline. I'm Dasa, I'm Dayday, and I'm Dodo. And we are an improv comedy troupe. And this is our first ever Fringe Festival. It's the first Fringe Festival for a lot of people in a long time. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up with some comedy ideas. So if anybody has any suggestions of funny things, funny topics, things in the news, Coronavirus, okay, I'm hearing coronavirus. Over there, COVID-19, okay, getting a little range here. Self-isolation, okay. Let's put those all together. Okay, let's start. Dodo and Dasa, we're gonna do a little scene that's gonna be set in a flat. Oh, look at old Mrs. Johnson up there, throwing out your rubbish on a nice sunny day. Get back indoors, you silly cow. It's COVID-19 coronavirus. Oh, there's Mr. Johnson strutting his stuff out there like he don't care. His little bald head in the sunshine. Get back inside, you bald-headed twat. Ooh. Thank you. Double-digit decline, double-digit decline, double-digit decline. Thank you.
Your cock.